Impress your guests with this stunning salmon mosaic. Elegant, colorful, and perfect for the fine dining at home. Let's make it together. Here is what you need: fresh salmon, seaweed powder, roasted red pepper powder, heavy cream and lemon juice for the cream, parsley and neutral oil for the green herb oil, black caviar, and crispy seaweed tapioca for garnish. I am using here a beautiful fresh salmon fillet for this recipe. I started by removing the skin of the salmon and preparing the salmon for the mosaic. Welcome everyone once again to our channel, here with Chef Viviane. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type. Thank you. Please follow us on Instagram, where we share daily inspiration from appetizer until dessert. Use a sharp fillet knife to remove all the gray part from the salmon fillet. Also, make sure to remove all bones from the fillet. Then portion the salmon in rib form. They don't have to be identical or even, because it creates just that beautiful shape you find in the mosaic. Transfer the salmon fillet to a shallow tray and then cover the fillet with the seaweed and the red pepper powder. Cover entirely and turn the other side and cover again. To create the seaweed powder, it is as simple as that. Combine 50% each, the wakame and nori, and blend to dust. I did not add any more seasoning to the powder because this is very tasty and have that natural umami flavor. I sprinkle the juice from a half lemon and also drizzle some olive oil on the salmon. Then mix everything with your hands gently to balance the flavors. Lay the salmon on a cling film in a rectangle shape. Roll it tightly like a roulade. Press lightly to compact and twist the end to seal it properly. Do you like salmon mosaic? If yes, how do you prefer to eat this? Let me know in the comments below. Please share this video with your friends and family or to whom it may be useful, because this helps the algorithm to share this video to more people on YouTube. Thank you. Let me know in the comments below if there is a specific recipe you would like me to create video about. I will be glad to do this. Put some holes on the Salmon Mosaic using the sharp point of the knife or pin. This helps to remove all air bubbles. Place in a water bath of 50 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes and cool down immediately in an ice cold bath. In a blender, add a handful of fresh parsley and a pinch of salt. Pour in your neutral oil of choice. Blend until smooth and vibrant green. Strain for a clean, glossy finish. This oil will add freshness and color to your plate. Pour heavy cream into a jar. Add some salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Whip lightly until it thickens slightly. Keep chilled until time to plate. Use a sharp knife to slice evenly, about 2 cm thick. And then unwrap the salmon mosaic using a scissors to cut through the film. This looks so delicious, so let's start plating. Serve immediately as a light, elegant starter. The fresh salmon, tangy lemon cream, herby oil, caviar, and crispy tapioca create a perfect balance of flavors and textures. For extra touches, I added some pickled onions, pickled mustard seeds, and some edible flowers to complement the dish. You can also ask any question about this recipe where you do not understand, and I will be very glad to help you out. How gorgeous and delicious is this salmon mosaic? Anyone can make this in the comfort of your own home using all simple ingredients you can find around you. And that is it. Your salmon mosaic, Michelin-starred in look and taste, made right at home. If you would like me to show you how to make the crispy tapioca, let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Check out the next video on your screen for more cooking inspirations.